In this video, we will study lesson number 3, the false flight. So here, there are the two characters, Sheikh Chilli and his wife. They are discussing among themselves about their planning. So what is it? They are living in village, and one day Sheikh Chilli asked to his wife that when I get some money, I will buy a cow. What did he say? That when he gets some money, he will buy a cow. Then wife replied, okay, then I will milk that cow. We will need lots of clay pots. Then what the wife is saying, that we will need lots of clay pots for keeping the milk. Sheikh Chilli, yes. Then the wife, next day the wife go to the market and bought some pots. She bought 5 pots, one for milk, one for buttermilk, one for butter, and one for ghee. Then husband asked, what is the fifth one for? When the lady bought the pots, he asked that for what you are bringing the 5 pots. Then she replied, one for milk, one for buttermilk, one for butter, and one for ghee. There are only 4 pots. Then he asked, what is the fifth one for? पांचवा वाला जो pot है वो किस लिए? Then she replied, that is for carrying milk for my mother. Then he got angry. Why you are giving milk to your mother? Have you got my permission? Then his wife shouted, there is no need of your permission. Then his face turned red, Sheikh Chilli's face turned red, and he got angry that I have bought the cow with my money and I am doing all the efforts, and you will give the extra milk to your mother, you fool. Whole day I am working and I am sweating, and then I will be able to buy a cow, and you are giving the valuable milk to your mother, he wrote. Then what happened? Both are shouting and fighting. A neighbor comes out. When the neighbor hearing, one of the neighbor is hearing, he comes out and he asks, what is the matter between both of you? The Sheikh Chilli replied that this woman is going to give away the milk of our cow to her mother. Neighbor knew that they don't have any cow. He asked, what cow? Then Sheikh Chilli said, yes, I am going to buy when I have enough money. When he is going to have the enough money, he is going to buy the cow. Then neighbor realized that they are not having any cow yet, but they are just discussing over the plannings and they are fighting for that. Then what the neighbor said, just wait, I am going to get one. What he is saying? The man is saying, wait, I am going to get one. मैं एक cow लाने वाला हूँ. The neighbor is saying, oh really? Now I know what's happening to my wheat and corn. मेरे wheat और corns के साथ क्या हुआ है, neighbor ने बोला. Then he is picking up one stick. As you see in this picture, the neighbor is having a stick and he is beating the Sheikh Chilli. Then he is saying, stop, why are you beating me? Then neighbor replied, it's been a cow only that who is going to be eating all my wheats and corn in my courtyard. You are letting it. आप ऐसा होने दे रहे हो. Then what he said, what wheat, what corn? Then he replied, yes, I am going to sow it. जो उसने अभी तक wheat और corn अभी तक उसने बोए नहीं है. I have been planning it for months and your cow, मैं बहुत महीनों से उसकी प्लान कर रहा हूँ कि मैं wheat and corns को sow करूँगा. And your cow has been eating all my grains. Then Sheikh Chilli and his wife realized the truth and they all had a hearty laugh. So that's the story, the false flight. I hope you will get the lesson. Thank you.